First advance card a name.
Young children, sir.
Begin. Go. 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 Roll. Show. Matthew, bow, go sit down. Kylie, you got all of second advance now?
Yes, sir.
Good. I'm gonna have Nathan move right in the middle, please.
Yes, sir.
Nolan, move over here next to Kylie, please. Ready. Only about a hands though. Put your hands close enough so you can still touch your fingers. Okay? You stay in the middle.
Yes, sir.
Kylie, you go over and get on that. Okay? All right.
Yes, sir.
Put your hands out, guys. Perfect. Okay. Drop your hands. Nice. Okay. 1, hands come to our chest. 2-step chumbi. 3.
Hi!